with. But the steps that we're going to do now, we're going to need a little help because it's heavy. We're going to spread this out over the pool, lower it down into the pool. We'll actually take the air out from underneath it to get a nice suction all the way around, make it good and tight, and then we're going to fill it up with water.
All right.
All right, we've got a few steps first, but let's get this over there, all right?
Okay, let's do it.
Before we install the pool liner, there are a few things we need to do. We need to be sure the pool bottom is free of any stones, sticks, and footprints. We need to make sure the liner track and the side walls are free of any dirt or abrasive materials. And we use duct tape to seal all the wall panel joints and seams to aid in the vacuum process.
Okay, it's time to put your liner in your pool.
Great.
I know, and once again, the folks at Hydro Pool have thought of everything. They even tell you how to set the box down and where to set the box down. It says, place at the deep end, arrow facing pool. We're at the deep end, the arrow's facing the pool. Our next step is we put a board here as sort of a platform to help us to give us surface as we unroll it, and then we just pull it across the pool. So let's you and I get it into position.
All right.
Okay.
Once the liner has been carefully placed on the pool bottom, we can begin the task of snapping the liner bead into the liner track. After the liner bead is completely installed in the liner track, adjust the liner in the pool corners as required to achieve a smooth, loose fit in the corners. Then we turn on the vacuum.
All right, that's good. So you can see that I've sealed off the top of the skimmer here, right? We've run our hose through the skimmer, and our access point is through the opening of the skimmer down underneath the vinyl. What we're going to do is turn on this vacuum and suck all the air out from below the vinyl, okay?
Sounds
This
good.
part's really difficult, but that red button right there starts everything.
Okay.
Now we wait.
As the suction starts to pull the liner down, we continually adjust the fit by pulling the excess material on the floor toward the base of the pool walls. If we can't get all the wrinkles out, we shut off the vacuum, reposition the liner in the pool, turn the vacuum back on, and start the process all over again. When the liner is pulled down snugly with no wrinkles, we're ready to finish installing the main drain. By feel, we locate the screw holes in the top of the main drain under the liner. With the gasket in place, we screw the face plate to the main drain following the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully, we use a razor knife to cut the liner material inside the main drain frame and install the main drain cover. We begin filling the pool with a low-pressure water source like a garden hose. Once there is 6 inches of water in the hopper, that's the lowest part of the pool, the remainder of the pool can be filled using a higher pressure source of water from a water truck or hydrant. Remember, it's very important to not let any strong stream of water directly hit the pool bottom.
Anytime you exert pressure on one side of a wall, it's important to try to equalize that pressure on the other side of the wall, and the same is true of our swimming pool. As the water level starts to rise, we need to backfill all the way around the exterior of the swimming pool just to try to keep equal pressure on both sides.